Hello children, today we are going to understand a very important topic from grammar, that is tense. What is tense? Tense means time. So let's have a look. Children, you must be aware of word verb. What are verbs? Like eat, play, dance. As you are aware of these words, these are called action words, these are called doing words, right? So a verb is a word that describes an action. It tells us what somebody or something does or has done. A verb is also called a doing word, or you can say action word. For examples, like we go to the zoo, we played with the monkeys. So here go and play, both are verbs. Okay, in the above examples, the words go and play describe an action. Therefore, they are doing words, or you can say they are verbs. So what is the role of verbs in tense? See, a verb not only tells us about an action, but it also tells us about the time of the action. So children, tenses are used to show when an action takes place. See, we play with white rabbits. We played with monkeys. Play and played. Here you can see there is ed added in the in the verb at the end of the verb. Okay, in second sentence. So in the first sentence, the verb play tells us the action is taking place now or in the present, and in the second sentence where ed is added, the verb played tells us that the action took place in the past. Okay, took place in the past. See, a tense tells us about the time of the action that takes place, whether it is happening in the past, the present, or in the future. So children, there are three kinds of tenses. Like the first one is present, past, and then future tense. And today we are going to understand about present tense. So what is present tense? The present tense shows the action which is done in the present time. Present time means the period of time that is happening now. Like you are watching the videos at present. Okay. So the action that is happening now. See, the present tense of a verb tells us the action is taking place now or at present. For examples, I study in the evening, she sings sweetly, Tinku rides a race car. So in the examples, the verb studies, sings, rides show an action which is taking place now. Therefore, they are in the present tense. To show that a verb is in the present tense, we either write the verb as it is or add an s or es to it. See, I write, you write, he oblique she writes. So here you can see we either write the verb as it is or you can add s or es to it. I sleep, you sleep, he she sleeps. Okay. So we add s or es. Either verb remains same or we will add s or es to it. See children, we use present form of the verb with s or es when the subject is singular, like my mother cooks food. So here subject is singular, we are talking about mother. My mother cooks food. So that's why s is added at the end of the verb. Alright. Now see, the children play with the ball. Here you can see s is not added. Why s is not added at the end of the verb? Because here we are talking about the plural subject. See, the children. We use present form of the verb. Means in plural subject, a verb remains same. Like the children play with the ball. We will not s or es to the at the end of the verb. All right. So, if a subject is singular, then we will add s or es at the end of the verb. If a subject is plural, then we will not add s or es at the end of the verb. Verb remain same. Okay. Now we'll move to the notebook work. You have to write date, day and classwork heading. Definition: a tense is a form taken by a verb to show the time of an action. Then after writing this, leave one line. There are three main tenses: present, past and future. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.